Men's school sucks. Oh, I know. I will pull the fire alarm.
Class, we're going to be watching Bill Nye the Science Guy.
May Giovani come to the main office?
Yes, headmaster.
You got caught on camera pulling the fire alarm. Tell me the truth and you won't be in hot water.
Okay, I pulled the fire alarm just for a joke.
Oh, whoa, 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 Giovani, that was not a joke. What you did was wrong. You scared everyone, and Nami was so scared she had a mental breakdown. You're suspended for a week. Go home now. Whoa, 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 Giovani, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? You're grounded for 2 months.
No TV, no Xbox, no computer, no going outside, and you will go to school on the weekend. Go to your room now.
I'm so grounded. I'm grounded.
Get up on my balls, take your call.